Using a spacer. You may be asked to use a spacer. Hold the inhaler upright and attach it to the end of the spacer. If you are using the spacer for the very first time, prepare it by pressing the inhaler 10 times. If a mask is used, attach the mask to the spacer. Place the mask securely over your mouth and nose. Ensure that it fits tightly with no gap between the mask and your face. If no mask is used, place the spacer mouthpiece in your mouth and seal it tightly with your lips. Press the canister of the inhaler down once to release 1 puff of medication into the spacer. Breathe in and out normally through the spacer for 5 to 10 breaths. Check the technique via the movement of the breathing valve opening and closing for 5 to 6 times. Alternatively, take a deep breath and hold for about 10 seconds or as long as you can. Then breathe out normally. You do not need to take the spacer out of your mouth to exhale. We hope that you have learned some important tips on how to use a spacer. You can watch the rest of our inhaler videos here. Visit Medical Channel Asia for more Asian health information and news at your fingertips.